Welcome to our channel, where we explore the myriad ways to earn money from the internet. With the rapid growth of online platforms, many individuals have successfully transformed their passions into profitable ventures. YouTube, in particular, has emerged as a leading platform for content creators, enabling them to generate substantial income through various monetization strategies. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage YouTube's power to generate income by exploring the best YouTube channels to earn money from on the internet. The gaming channels. Over the past decade, the gaming industry has exploded, leading to the flourishing of channels dedicated to gaming content. These channels, such as PewDiePie and Markiplier, showcase gameplay reviews and entertaining commentary, attracting millions of subscribers. Gamers can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The vibrant gaming community thrives on interaction, making it a lucrative niche for those who enjoy video games. The beauty and fashion gurus. Now, beauty and fashion channels have gained immense popularity, offering tutorials, reviews, and tips to their audiences. Creators like Nikki Tutorials and James Charles have built substantial followings by sharing their expertise. This niche allows creators to partner with brands for sponsored content and affiliate marketing. By showcasing products, these influencers can earn commissions while helping viewers discover new beauty and fashion trends. The personal finance educators. In recent years, personal finance channels have gained traction, educating viewers on budgeting, investing, and financial independence. Channels like Graham Stephan and Nate O'Brien provide valuable insights and practical tips that resonate with audiences seeking financial literacy. So by offering valuable content, these creators attract sponsorships and affiliate marketing opportunities, making it possible to earn money while empowering others to control their finances. The DIY and home improvement channels. The DIY niche, or do-it-yourself niche, is thriving as more individuals seek to enhance their living spaces. Channels such as Home Repair Tutor and Mr. Build It focus on home improvement projects, offering step-by-step guides and practical advice. Creators in this niche can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links to tools and materials. As viewers become inspired to tackle their projects, these channels can generate significant income while promoting creativity and resourcefulness. The health and fitness influencers. Health and fitness channels have become increasingly popular as individuals prioritize their well-being. Creators like Blogger Lattes and Fitness Blender provide workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivation to their followers. These channels often collaborate with health brands for sponsored content and may offer personalized fitness programs or merchandise. By fostering a supportive community and delivering valuable content, health and fitness influencers can cultivate substantial income while encouraging healthier lifestyles. The education channels. YouTube has also become a powerful platform for educational content. Channels such as Crash Course and Khan Academy offer informative videos on various subjects, from history to science. By providing valuable educational resources, these channels often receive funding through sponsorships, grants, and partnerships with educational institutions. Creators in this niche can earn money while contributing to the learning and development of their audiences, making it a rewarding venture. So in conclusion, YouTube presents a wealth of opportunities for individuals to earn money from the internet. Whether through gaming, beauty, personal finance, DIY projects, health, fitness, or education, there is a niche for every passion. The key to success lies in delivering valuable content, engaging with audiences, and exploring monetization strategies. As you embark on your journey to create a successful YouTube channel, remember that dedication, creativity, and consistency are essential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to explore the best YouTube channels to earn money from on the internet. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.